to connect the world. We are not afraid of change or new challenges. The global vendor that pioneers new markets through constant R&D. Optical network leader, Coweaver. Coweaver has grown as a global vendor based on our creative passion and challenging spirit. Coweaver was established in February 2000 and listed on Kosdaq in 2001. The company distinguished itself in the optical transmission system market by developing a core information communication network device and an optical transmission device. In addition, the company acquired TL 9000 and ISO 14001 certifications for our quality and environmental management system as we improved product quality and expanded the market for telecommunications service provider, local governments, public organizations, and financial institutions. The company seized the initiative in the domestic market and grew as a global vendor, as a leader of telecommunication technology in Korea after winning the Ministry of Science, ICT, and Future Planning's Award in 2014 for excellence in technology and product quality. Coweaver is taking a new leap forward towards the center of the world beyond Korea. Coweaver, located in a strategic location of Korea, Seoul, integrated entire optical transmission system solutions from designing, manufacturing, sales, to customer service to improve the process efficiency and strengthen product competitiveness. Based on our original technology we developed, more than 50% of the company's human resources are participating in R&D to secure new technologies and develop cutting-edge systems. Coweaver, that now stands shoulder to shoulder with other global businesses with our creative talents and original technology, pioneered new markets through local subsidiaries by analyzing the user's needs and trends of the market, securing new technologies, and manufacturing the latest competitive products to lead the global optical transmission system market. The leader of the optical network and pioneer of new markets. Coweaver is a leading global optical transmission network technology with systems the company developed and commercialized, including POTN, ROADM, CWDM, PTN, MSPP, and other systems. Coweaver manufactured the latest system based on the systematic manufacturing solutions and supplied its products to KT, LGU+, and SKT Broadband. The company possesses and provides the broadest range of products as the top transmission system maker in Korea.
저희 코이버 주식회사는 기술 개발과 신시장 개척을 위해 끊임없이 연구하고 있습니다. 앞으로도 첨단 기술력과 최고 품질을 바탕으로 신규 장비 개발에 앞장서겠으며 항상 고객사를 존중하고 상호 협력하여 세계적인 글로벌 벤더로 성장할 것을 약속드립니다.
The world will be connected through passion, sincerity, talents, the best optical transmission technology in the world, creativity, and challenging spirit, and Coweaver will be standing in the front of the line. A company that is taking a new leap forward the global market beyond Korea. Optical network leader, Coweaver.